Morning! I'm trying to get the photos of my bougainvillea that are in blue. There is one. This is my bonsai. That is the bonsai bougainvillea. It's so beautiful. I'm selling that for 3,000. My cousin loves to buy that. My aunt. There is more bougainvillea out here. Here at my fence. They are in bloom. Nice to have bougainvillea, yeah. I have more up here. The yellow one. There are the yellow bougainvillea. They are in bloom. They are tall, just like here at my fence. There is more pink here. There is more pink there. Up. They are all in bloom. Oh, there. More bougainvillea in bloom. Those are tall ones. Thanks for watching, guys.